How to download or install Parrot OS in VirtualBox. So let's get started. Today we will be installing Parrot Security OS in VirtualBox using the OVA file provided by the makers of Parrot OS. You can download the OVA file of Parrot Security OS. Then once the OVA file is finished downloading, open VirtualBox and simply click on Import option available there. Browse to the OVA file we just downloaded and click on Next option available there. All these settings applied to the virtual machine are displayed. Change any settings if necessary and click on Import option available in the bottom. When software license agreement is displayed, click on Agree. Now VirtualBox will start importing the Parrot Security OS virtual appliance as shown below. After the import is complete, it will be displayed in the list of virtual machines as shown here. We just need to power it up and the attacker machine is ready. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.